Well, we knew it was coming, right? We know that there is going to be immediate contagion fallout related to FTX and SBF, the implosion therein. And we've got a new casualty. Actually, it's one that we knew about, but they are now officially a casualty, if you will. We're going to get into that, and we're going to get into another one that's out there that's still looming, and its effect on crypto, and what and how long will we be dealing with in this video. My name is Austin. If you're new to me, I have a channel here on YouTube myself, Austin Hilton. You can go look it up if you'd like. Also, down in the description below, check out ClearCryptos. I make content for the Clear channel as well because I believe in this project beyond a shadow of a doubt, and they are going to revolutionize crypto in one way or the other in a positive way. So check out their links down below to all things. Get involved in their Discord and check them out. Okay. So the latest one that has become officially a casualty is BlockFi. Now, we've known about BlockFi for a couple of weeks. All right. And so this one, they've officially filed Chapter 11 as of November 28th. Okay. They've officially filed Chapter 11. But did you know this, that they were in trouble back in the summer of 2022, just recently, along with Voyager and Celsius. All right. And they were given an emergency bailout in the form of a $250 million line of credit from, guess who? FTX. Okay. But obviously, that is now, we all know what's happened with FTX. And now BlockFi has officially filed Chapter 11 in New Jersey. This is not a good situation. There are people's funds and money tied up on BlockFi. They can't get them off. It just continues to kind of be bad. Now, as of the recording of this video, this is an interesting scenario that the overall crypto market is really not being negatively impacted by this. Okay. And so it kind of speaks to a real interesting scenario that I think fundamentally that we're getting a little bit used to and immune, if you will, to the FTX situation. We're all expecting more fallout. The big one that's still out there is Genesis, the lending platform, right? And they've been looking for a cash infusion. They've kind of gone radio silent, quiet in the news. Not a lot being talked about them right now. But they were looking for about $1 billion. That's with the B, $1 billion to help to bail them out. And I don't think that there's really anybody coming to the proverbial rescue. So yeah, there's going to be more fallout. More is going to happen. But the interesting thing here is that it would feel like the crypto market is shaking it off just a little bit. In that, hey, we're expecting this. BlockFi, Genesis, whatever it is. And I'm not minimizing the damage that those two, as an example, are going to cause and have caused, and the personal damage, people who have funds locked up and crypto locked up and stable, et cetera, they can't get at. I'm absolutely very aware of that. But on a go forward basis, I think that the crypto market at a high level is kind of said, we know that this is going to happen. We know it's coming. And so therefore it's kind of built into the price. All right. So that's what I got for you right now. Thank you for your time. As always, if you're learning more, but want to learn more about Clear, check links in the description below, check them out, and we'll see you. Have a good one. Bye.